In this example, we will insert a CTU counter in network 1 of FC10. We start by inserting a normally open contact as a condition for activating the count up operation. Now click, drag, and drop a CTU counter from the basic instruction catalog onto the line. The IEC counter is actually a standard function block and requires an instance data block to operate. A pop-up box allows you to name the data block and manually number it, or you can accept the system name and number as we have done in this example. Now let's set a condition to reset the counter. And enter a preset value of 0 for the initial configuration. At this point, we should define the location for saving the count value. We will use memory word 200 for the example. The counter has been configured. Let's save the project and download the block. Click the Monitor button to monitor the operation of the counter. Note that with a high on CU, the count increases by 1. Also note that the output Q is high because the counter sets Q high whenever the count value is equal to or greater than PV, which was set at 0 during configuration. With a low at CU, the counter is ready for the next count. The count value increases with each rising edge at CU. When R goes true, the counter is reset and the count value returns to 0. Now we will go offline and make a few modifications to the configuration of our counter. Let's change the PV value to 5. And add a coil to the Q output. With the configuration changed slightly, download the block. And click Monitor once again. Note that Q is now low and will remain low as the counter counts up. Until the count value reaches the PV value of 5. The counter then sets Q high.